okumara okwezi koona okurugyerera ahari ASP Julius Hakiza omugambirizi wa polisi omu kyanga kya Mwitanzige.
Akaryo mutuze mu kota za Kiryandongo Hospital n'okutoroboza omwana we yatorobe akaba omwana wa neighbor we akamwesigire yamurekera omwana ko yatungire transfer yaza gukorera hano so yamurekera omwana omukurekera omwana Omusheija yamukozesa.
And when she reported the case, we took up the matter. We went to the hospital quarters with the SOCO and the gender-based violence desk to investigate the matter. According to the statement of the victim, one Alinaitwe Hawa, this offense took place at around 0900 in the morning.
Abebembezi ba districti abarumu na chairman w'entebe ya katano Edith Ariguma bahiko mu cyaro cyacu mogora yo kubanza okuhumuriza omwana hamwe na nyina.
Byona byahapeninga bikamukwata oku na isatalo. Ati biziro byamutayiro na nyo bantera simo omwana bamuhambire na isakabatalo so bamutere nawe yaija. Yagenda mu bigambo ebyo yarekodinga omwana bamutemura kubi omwana bamubazirira omwana kabali mu mbeera mbi.
My call to police right now that let the right statements be made, let the perpetrator be handled well at custody, processed to court, and let him be jailed according to the laws of Uganda. It is a capital offense, so you don't need to play about with it. And I want to warn many people whom we have already heard that they want to negotiate the issue with their parents.
Omwana ogo abire nashome ekibiina kya mukaaga ahari Kiryandongo Bunyoro Catholic Primary School kandi yatugambira ngo akamukwata kifuba bwanyuma yo kumugorora chapati.
Sajja kabanti ne series ajja kunyita olunda agyakola kintu na sister wange aho musajja nimpote na ikaire musajja lwebagye yajja mukazi we yamugambira nti ng'omwana akudde nga musayimono.
ASP Julius Hakiza Aaron omugambirizi wa polisi yagamba ngo emishango y'okutoroboza ekanyero muri Kiryandongo okomerwe